Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number Z6906A. Only 3,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, Summit White in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, along with 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Equinox seats 5, cloth interior, and of course, very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. The Equinox has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, this LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 3,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission, the manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, and a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway, and only 3,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6906A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.